Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another lecture on introduction to trigonometry. पिछले लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री होती क्या है, क्यों आई और क्या ज़रूरत है हमें इसकी। और इस लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे कि रेशियोज, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज होते क्या है। ट्राइगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो होते क्या है। तो पहले कंसिडर अ ट्रायंगल करेंगे हम, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। सो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में हमने कंसिडर किया दैट दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी एंड दिस इज सी। और ये दिस इज 90 डिग्री, ये एंगल ए है, दिस इज एंगल सी। रेशो हमारे पास बहुत सारे साइड्स के लेने होते हैं, तो पहले हम लेंगे एक साइड यानी कि ए बी दिस डिवाइड बाई ए बी डिवाइड बाई ए सी दिस इज इक्वल। एक हमारे पास ये रेशो है। दूसरा हम लेंगे ए बी ए सी डिवाइड बाई, दूसरा हम लेंगे सी बी डिवाइड बाई ए सी। हो गए दो रेशोज। तीसरा हम लेंगे ए बी के बाद ए सी। अब हम उसका एक दो और इन दोनों का अब लेंगे ए बी डिवाइड बाई ए बी बी सी डिवाइड बाई बी सी डिवाइड बाई ए बी। पहले हम ये तीन लेंगे। तो विद रेस्पेक्ट टू दिस एंगल ए, this is AB, this is base for this angle, adjacent to the angle A, it is base for this angle A, and this is base for angle A, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular. So base, this is B denoted by B, and this is hypotenuse B by H. Base divided by this hypotenuse is cosine of angle A. Cosine of angle A, and this is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. This is sine of angle A, and another it is BC perpendicular divided by base, which is tangent of angle A. This is tangent as same that of tan of theta, and tangent which we know about this tangent for a curve. We will draw a tangent for this point, join a line passing through one single point, joining this curve at a single point. This is called tangent. This line is called tangent. This is tangent. And another, we have another three. We will reciprocal it. That is, first is AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB, it is hypotenuse divided by base. And another it is AC divided by CB. AC divided, it is hypotenuse over perpendicular. And another it is BC divided AB divided by BC, which is base by perpendicular. These three have another, this AC divided by this hypotenuse over base, it is called, it is cosine, it is sec of angle A. It is hypotenuse over perpendicular, it is cosine, cosec of angle A. And this is another cosine, this is cotangent of angle A. These are the six ratios for the triangle. This ABC with AB as base and BC as perpendicular, and then AC as hypotenuse. These are the six ratios, which is remembered as, if we have perpendicular base and hypotenuse, we will divide it by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular divided by base. This perpendicular divided by hypotenuse is sine. This base by hypotenuse is cosine. And this perpendicular base is tangent. Tan.
ये आपको ऐसे याद रहेगा पंडित by पंडित हरि हरि भगवान.
So these are the six ratios for a triangle. If we change an angle, we get another 6. That is if
Hope so you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.